Look, it's time to stop buying your significant other candy. All that proves is you got an extra dollar and you think of your SO in the checkout line at the grocery store. That being said, I believe pound for pound there's no better candy than a Reese's cup. What more could you want than a fluffy peanut butter interior and milk chocolate coating? It's time to prove your worth by recreating all that makes a Reese's good in your own kitchen with these cookies, and we'll start by making our own peanut butter. If you aren't interested in making your own peanut butter, you can use any brand of creamy peanut butter, and I'll put a timestamp in the comments to skip to the next step. The advantage of making it ourselves is we can achieve a flavor much closer to a Reese's cup than anything off the shelf. Start by roasting 2 cups of unsalted peanuts in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes till they achieve a golden brown exterior. From the oven, we can put them into a food processor fitted with a chopping blade. Start by pulsing together, gradually increasing speed till you are blending on high. We're grinding till we have a very smooth nut butter, going past what you think is the right thickness for peanut butter, as when we add a simple syrup later, it'll thicken back up. Measure out a cup of our peanut butter, which should be near all, and put into a mixing bowl. Add in a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract and 3/4 teaspoon salt and mix together. To this, we will add a rich, simple syrup made from a half cup sugar and 3 tablespoons water, brought up to a near boil about 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix that in half at a time, going slow. With that, our peanut butter is done, and we can set aside and work on our cookie dough. From our dry ingredients, mix together 1½ cups all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and set aside. In a separate bowl, cream together a stick of unsalted butter left out to soften with 3/4 cups brown sugar and a 1/4 cup granulated sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes till well combined. Add in 3/4 cup of our peanut butter and mix before adding 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly beat in our dry ingredients till everything is just combined into a loose dough. Roll the dough into small 2 tablespoon balls and roll one side into a sugar salt mixture of 3 tablespoons sugar and a teaspoon of salt and place onto a baking sheet. Into a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven they go for 10 to 12 minutes until the tops are set. Remove and let cool for 8 to 10 minutes, then remove from the baking sheet and put onto a wire rack to cool completely. Repeat this process till all our dough is made into cookies. This recipe yields about 20 cookies. When all the cookies have cooled completely, we can coat with chocolate. To make our coating, I've melted semi-sweet chips into heavy cream in a double boiler over low heat. Occasionally return the bowl to the double boiler if I need to add more chocolate and heat it up again. If you need to thin it out more, just add more heavy cream. Coat each cookies on one side and put into the fridge to cool. Once cooled, bring out to coat the other side and back into the fridge they go to let the chocolate set. This may take about 2 hours, but it even gets better the next day. These cookies pack all the punch of a Reese's cup with a soft peanut butter interior and chocolate coating, and even if they don't look as pretty as the factory fresh Reese's, the work you put into them shows your significant other that you think they are worth more than $1 and an afterthought. If you like this video, consider watching another. If you want to see more recipes in the future, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.